Okay, sorry for the late arrival, but I was really slow. I just caught this fish. Still not a big stomach on him, but bigger than the one yesterday. Hopefully you can see that. Didn't fight terribly hard, but I threw back in here where he shouldn't have been, and he was. So another skinny little booger that needs to eat. I had a feeling he'd be back here. Quick wait. See, 1.8 for a fish that long. It seems like it's a little bit out of whack. But maybe they're just all skinny here. There you go. Here's my first fish of the day. One 8. Book it, Dano. Alright, one closer to my goal.